Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you can sign into the Google account. Make sure recovery phone and password work. Once signed in, decide whether you need a new primary Gmail or just an alias or forwarding address, because Google often restricts changing primary Gmail once created. Next, open account settings and go to personal info so you can see email options. You should verify two-step verification is accessible. If not, update recovery methods now before proceeding to address change. Once in personal info, navigate to contact info and select email. You will see if primary email is editable. If Google prevents changing the primary Gmail, create a new Gmail account and then add it as a send as alias in Gmail settings accounts and import, or set forwarding to receive mail. Make sure to verify any new address using the confirmation code sent by Google. This ensures send as and forwarding work and prevents lost messages when you switch addresses. To finalize, update third-party apps and Google services to use the new or aliased address. Make sure send as default is set if you want outgoing mail to show the new address. If you migrated, confirm contacts and labels copied correctly and set an auto-reply at the old address pointing to the new one. If something goes wrong, pause and use Google Account Recovery, verify two-step devices, and recheck forwarding and send as verifications. Those fixes resolve most sync and sign-in problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.